Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make AI Polaroid photo with your favorite idol using Gemini. You've seen them all over TikTok and Instagram, the hyper-realistic aesthetic Polaroid photos of fans with their favorite idols and celebrities. And guess what? The secret is out and it's all thanks to Gemini AI. Here in this video, I'm going to show you the exact copy paste prompts and the full step-by-step tutorial using Gemini's powerful image generations or Nano Banana. Now, let's just start by open the Gemini application. You can do it on mobile or PC. So in here, let's click on this create image options to use the Nano Banana image generation features in Gemini. And now you can just upload your photo and your idol's photo. Click on the plus button and go to your gallery. So in here, I'm going to use the BTS photo and also this one's right here. Now you can just tap on done, and here is the prompt that you need to use. I'm going to paste it. So this is the prompt. The prompt is quite simple and short. Take a photo taken with a Polaroid camera. The photo should look like an ordinary photograph without an exclusive subject or property, and the photo have a slight blur and a consistent light source like a flash from a dark room to the scatter to the photo, and don't change the face, change the background behind those two people with white curtains. For the last sentence in here, this is the pose, so you can modify it based on your preference, but for me, I'm going to use the hugging pose, so with that boy hugging me both looking at front. Now you can just tap on submit or generate, and Gemini will merge your photo into one authentic vintage Polaroid photo. You can just wait until the photo is done. So now the image is done, and here is the result. So stop dreaming and start creating your own viral moments with your favorite idols. I hope the simple tutorial will be helpful, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.